In this video, I'm going to show you how we can check or see all the saved passwords from our iPad. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to find the passwords application. So here is the passwords application. Just tap it over there and very shortly it will ask you to type the passcode or password or your Face ID, and we just need to now you need to type the passcode or logged in by your Face ID. Once you logged in, you'll see like this, and left side you'll see on sidebar is there, and there are different applications are there or website is there one by one. To see the login details like username and password, we must need to choose one of the application or website or account, and then right side we'll see some details. So for example, I'm going to tap on eBay, and very shortly on the right side you will see the details of your eBay account. So just I tapped over there, and here I see the username and password. Here the password field will be like empty or dot or star. If you move your cursor over there, then only you will be able to see the passwords of your eBay account. And that's it. In this way we can check or see all the saved passwords from our iPad.